In this problem, we're going to use the difference quotient here again with this function, s of t equals t squared minus 9t, nice little quadratic function, and find the simplified expression for the average velocity from t equals 7 to t equals 7 plus h. So our t is 7, we have 7 in there and 7 plus h in there, and see what happens with this. Okay, so we will have our s of t plus h is going to be t plus h squared minus 9 times t plus h. So that t plus h goes in place of the t there, and it also plugs into the t on this part here, where the t is just the t plus h goes in there. Okay, so we have t squared plus 2th plus h squared minus 9t minus 9h. And then s of t is just as it sits. It's just going to be this t squared minus 9t. So when we look at the difference quotient, the s of t plus h minus s of t all over h, what we're seeing is this t squared plus 2th plus h squared minus 9t minus 9h minus the t squared minus 9t all over h. And so if we distribute that negative, it's going to be this t squared plus 2th plus h squared minus 9t minus 9h minus t squared plus 9t all over h. And I'll go ahead and switch over to red to see what subtracts out. The t squareds go away, the 9t's go away, and what's left is this 2th plus h squared minus 9h all over h. So we have a 2th plus h squared minus 9h all over h. And I could divide h out of each of these terms in the numerator, there and there and there, and we're left with 2t plus h minus 9. And that's the answer they're looking for here. Okay, now we're going to look at the next part where it says use the simplified expression, to find the average velocity between t equals 7 and t equals 7 plus h for the following values. So we'll go with t is 7 in each case, so we'll have 2 times 7 plus, and then the h is 0.1 times 0.1 minus 9. So that's going to be 14.1 minus 9, and that's going to be 5.1. Then we have 2 times 7 plus 0.01 minus 9. That's 14.01 minus 9, or 5.01. There. 2 times 7 plus 0.001 minus 9 is 14.001 minus 9 is 5.001. So we have there. So what do you see the trend? Where is this going as our h gets closer and closer to 0? See, h is getting smaller in each of these cases. So what is it going towards? 5.1, 5.01, 5.001. It's going to be getting closer to 5. Okay, hope that helps.